Hi there! Today I got this idea of showing you how to wear an obnoxiously pink lipstick. Basically a technique that I use to make a pink lipstick a little bit more wearable since I am not really into that hot pink lip. I'm going to show you how the lipstick looks by itself and how it looks with the technique that I used. So let's get into it. The lipstick that I'm going to use today is by Too Faced. It's I think this is discontinued. Is the peach lipstick in the shade Makeup Me Happy. It looks something like this, which might not seem like a lot for some of you, but for my taste it is a little bit too pink. First I'm going to swatch it and show you how it looks on my lips. It is a little bit too bright, I guess, for my taste, but obviously if you do like it, go for it. I think it is cute, it's just not something that I'm comfortable wearing. What I'm gonna do next is wipe this off and show you another way of applying this lipstick. I didn't film in a week, so I'm feeling a little bit awkward sitting in front of the camera, but I'm gonna get back on track. It did stain my lips pink a little bit. So what I'm doing when I want to wear something like this is I use a nude brown pencil first. Today I'm going to use this one from NYX Cosmetics. It's the lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. And shout out to my friend Livia, because this is hers and I wanted to get it myself. I just don't have a NYX store in my town, so I will see when I will be able to get it. I do like to use something brown in combination with a pink lipstick because I feel like it tones down the pink a little bit. This has the perfect tone, meaning that it's not too warm or too cool tone. It's the perfect brown shade. I'm just doing a little bit of overlining in the center of the lips. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in the sides a bit. So blending the pencil inwards. And after I have this neutral base laid down, I can apply the pink lipstick right in the center of the lips, just to bring some color to the lips without looking like too much. So what I'm gonna do is just tap it gently in the center. Then I'm gonna use my finger and blend it out. You can obviously use a brush as well. I just find the finger to be a little bit more accessible. And this is a lot softer if you're into that more neutral lip. I feel like this creates a very nice nude pink. And to blend the colors into one another even more seamlessly, what you can do is apply a clear, like almost clear gloss on top. If you have a clear one, it's fine. I do have one that has a slight pink tint. It's not that noticeable at all. It's the Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Shine from Sephora Collection in the shade Pink Crystal. This is again a discontinued product, I'm sorry for that. And I'm just gonna apply it all over. And again, this kind of helps blending the pink into the brown and just creating a more cohesive, like blended look, which I'm really into. But obviously you can wear it matte as well. I do like it in matte. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think of this technique, whether or not you have tried it. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope it was useful, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!